Welcome back everyone. This is the 7th lecture of our data science series. In this lecture, we will going to cover the neural networks, a deep dive. This presentation will explore the fascinating world of neural networks from their biological inspiration of their diverse applications. We will deliver into the concepts behind these powerful tools and their potential to revolutionize various fields. Biological inspiration, the brain structure, biological learning. Neural networks are inspired by structure and function of the human brain, especially the interconnected network of neurons. Biological learning. They mimic the process of learning in the brain where connections between neurons strengthen or weaken based on experience. Artificial neurons and activation functions. Artificial neurons, the basic building block of a neural network, analogous to biological neurons, receives input, processes it, and produces output. Activation functions, a mathematical function that introduces non-linearity, allowing networks to model complex patterns and relationships in data. New neural networks architectures. Feed forward, recurrent, convocational. Feed forward. Information flows in one direction from input to output layers. Recurrent, network with feedback loops allowing them to process sequential data. Convolutional, specialized for image processing, they extract features by applying filters to input data. Feed forward neural networks, input layers, hidden layers, and output layers. So, what is input layer? Input layer is something which receives the initial data such as images or text. Hidden layers. What is hidden layer? Hidden layer is a process and transform the input data extraction features. An output layer. The output layer generates the final prediction or classification. Backpropagation algorithm. Error calculation. The difference between the network's prediction and the actual target. The second one is weight adjustment. Weights are updated to minimize the errors, improving the network's accuracy. Iterative process. Backpropagation is repeated until the network reaches a desired level of accuracy. Convolutional neural networks. Convolutional layers apply filters to extract features from images such as edges and shapes. Pooling layers downsample the output of convolutional layers, reducing dimensionality and computational cost. Fully connected layers. Similar to feed forward networks, these layers platform classification or regression. Recurrent neural networks. Sequence processing. Process sequential data like text or time series, memory. Maintain informational about previous inputs. Applications. Language translations, speech recognition, and time series analysis. Applications and future developments. So, this was about the 7th video of our data science series. If you like the video, please hit the like button. And if you have any doubt regarding the topic, please mention below in the comment section. Do not forget to subscribe to our channel. Meet you in the next video. Thank you.